Not today.
What the hell are you doing?
You shut your mouth.
You know not to talk to me like that.
Well, you know not to talk to me when I look busy.
What are you doing?
There's a zombie apocalypse. Did you not see the news?
Zombie apocalypse? What news?
Breaking news, there's a world zombie apocalypse. Now everyone run and scream.
Now you know what I'm doing.
You got an extra one of those? Nope, because I have it. Shouldn't I get it since I'm the man of the house? You're not a man.
It's okay, Daddy. You could use this pen to protect yourself.
What the heck is that?
There's a zombie in the window!
Get out the way, woman!
Good job, Mom!
Well, you know me, God of War.
And you stood there like a scared little hamster.
Well, it's not my fault. I didn't have a weapon.
Sounds like Billy's girly screams.
There's a zombie coming! Timmy, give me your weapon!
Oh, sure! Here you go.
A lime? What the hell am I supposed to do with this?
Just throw it at him, huh?
Good going. You pissed him off even more. Nice zombie. Sit. Shoot him, Timmy!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Did you get bit by a zombie? No. Had to be Billy. How long ago did you get bit? Maybe like a couple hours ago. Couple hours ago?
Billy should have turned into a zombie then. That means he's immune.
Really? Oh, yeah. Of course. You can't do anything to me, zombie. Oh, I'm sorry. Casper? What are you doing?
I want to see what he's doing. Move, Daddy. Why are you standing there just chilling?
Don't shoot him, Timmy. Just knock him out. Why couldn't your older brother be immune instead of Billy?
Sorry, bro. Until we find a cure, we gotta stay right there. Excuse me? Don't you dare talk to me like that. Mom, Casper's giving me an attitude. Go whoop him.
Honey, you know he's not himself.
Yeah, you're right.
Why is Greg and his mom coming into our house in the middle of a zombie apocalypse?
Timmy, did you know your brother's a zombie? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, what I want to know is who caused all of this? What, the zombies? I don't know. Well, I don't like it. What the hell? It's a blind zombie. It wasn't me!
Mom!
Good going, Timmy.
It's not my fault. I had beans for lunch.
Look, Greg's mom. Debbie? I can't shoot her. Booshka!
My finger slipped. Bad finger. Dad! Tim, you got any snacks in your fridge? Nah, bro. Dang it! Mom!
I just thought of something. Since Billy is immune to this zombie virus, my blood could be the cure for everyone. Exactly. Wow, you're kinda smarter than you look. We need a syringe to draw his blood. Huh? No, I don't like needles.
Well, too bad.
Hey, look, it's a police officer.
That's a zombie cop. Honey, get him. I'm out.
I'm out too. Pablo?
He saved us. That's right. Now everyone give me all your monies. Well, what are you waiting for? Give me your monies. What are you staring at? My zombie son is behind you. I got bit. I got bit.
Now you're gonna turn into a zombie. Sorry, Pablo.
Sorry, honey. We have to knock you out again. Billy, go through Pablo's pockets. He might have a needle. Oh, why me? He did have a needle. Let me see. Looks used, but should still work. Let me see that arm.
Can I be the one to draw his blood?
Sure. I can't look.
Don't worry, I'll be gentle. Now we gotta inject Billy's blood into Casper. You do it, Dad.
Do I have to be involved? Hurry up. Oh, hey. It worked. Welcome back, son.
Billy, now we're gonna need more blood for everyone else.
No!
Ooh, my favorite show is on.
Breaking news. Zombies took over the world. Now scream.
Bro, why are you screaming? What's all this screaming? It's a zombie apocalypse. I'm out of here. No, you're not. You're taking one for the team. Come on.
Yeah, just one for the team.
And I'm gone.
Oh, that's too bad, bro. Mom, Dad's rifle.
Time to clean up.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Oh my god. Sorry, honey.
You saved me, Mom.
Oh, hey there, Amanda. There you are.
Oh, hey, Debbie. Glad you can make it.
Where the hell is Greg?
Oh, Greg, he's coming right now.
Greg, get your butt in here.
Yo, what's up, Timmy? Come sit down, Greg. We're playing Fortnite. Yeah, we are.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Greg, behave or you'll get one of these.
I got 0 V-Bucks? Mom, can I have $100 to buy some V-Bucks? I wish I could get money. Your mom doesn't give you money? No, she says we're poor.
I need toothpaste at home. I don't think Amanda will mind. Oh, Greg, here, you can have $100 too. Bushka! I can't believe you gave him money. Debbie, I was just trying to help. Let's go, Greg. When we get home, I'm gonna whoop you.
Why?
Because you try to keep that money all for yourself. Honey, here are the eggs for the Easter hunt for Billy and Timmy. Now put money in them. Have fun. Yeah, it's fun giving away my money. I'm just putting $1 in them. I'm so excited, Timmy.
Yeah.
That's all they deserve. $1 in them. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Dad, are we doing the Easter hunt? Dad? Just $1? You son of a...
Money and eggs.
It's better filled with $100. And done.
Timmy, give me the eggs. I'm gonna go hide them in the basement.
What? Why can't we do it outside?
Because I don't want to be seen in public with you.
Mom, look, I got a lot of eggs. I'm gonna open them up now.
I only found one egg.
That's $500 in total. Yes!
I put $1 in those eggs.
Oh, that's because I went into your money stash and filled them up with $100 instead.
My egg is empty.
Well, next time I'm gonna snitch. You eating Mom's Oreos? I'm telling.
You want one?
You damn right I want one. Gimme.
Just don't tell your mother we're eating her Oreo thins.
My lips are sealed.
Yeah, not those big lips.
Uh-oh.
Tell your mother you ate them.
Oh, sure, because I can get away with anything.
Who stole my Oreo things?
It was that, and then he told me to pretend it was me.
Wow, Timmy, why don't we go outside so you could throw me under an actual bus?
How about I throw you somewhere?
No. Oh, no, please.
Now I gotta call the window repairman. Do you want some milk with that, honey?
Everyone, shh, the show's about to start.
Oh, honey, be a gem and get me some snacks.
Sure, honey. Billy, go get your mother some snacks. But I'm gonna miss the show. This show's gonna suck anyway, go.
But...
Oh, fine. This is gonna be the best show.
Here you go, Mom.
You brought me cereal? But there was nothing else. Then you should've went to the supermarket.
Mom, can you give me a glass of juice?
Sure, honey. Billy, since you're already up, go get Timmy a glass of juice. But I don't want to get him juice.
Take your little Barbie legs and walk into the kitchen and get me some juice.
Oh, look who rose from the dead, Casper. Hey, get me some juice, please. No, you're not crippled. Whatever. Billy, get me some juice.
No, you're not crippled.
Son of a...
Hey, sweetie.
What's up?
I have good news and bad news. Which one do you want me to say first?
Bad news.
I'm dying.
Mommy, I said bad news first.
Oh, great heavens!
Mom, I called the cops on you.
Don't tell me you're still mad because I gave you a whooping.
No, it's because you lied to me.
What are you talking about?
I found your driver license, and you're not my mom. Your name is Jasmine. I don't know who you are, but where is my mom?
Sweetie, Mom is what you call me. Jasmine is my real name. Officer Bendover is here. I got a call about a kidnapping of a child.
Officer, bend over. Arrest her.
Hello, officer. He's my child. He's just freaking out because he found my driver license. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, get her, officer.
No, I'm talking to you for making a false report.
Oh, great heavens!
That'll teach him a lesson. Ah, I love showers.
Yo, Mom, I got all A's on my report card.
Really?
Yeah, remember you said if I got all A's, you'll get me a PS5.
Oh yeah, I did, huh? Shoot, I don't have $500. Ding dong. Hold on, son, let me go get the door. Yes? Hey, whoa. I'll give you $500 if you drop your towel. Fine. Wow, here you go. Hey, sweetie, let's go get... Hey, honey, did our neighbor come by yet? Yes, why? He owed me $500 and we needed to pay the house today or we'll be kicked out.
Oh, great heavens!
Hey, Mom, I have a question.
What's up?
How come Dad only works one job and you have to work so many?
What are you talking about? I don't have a job at the moment.
Don't lie, Mom. I was going through your closet and saw 3 uniforms I didn't even know you worked at.
What uniforms?
A maid outfit? Like I didn't know you were a maid. A nurse outfit? Like you didn't even help me when I was sick last week. A cop outfit with handcuffs? Like I didn't know you catch bad guys.
Yeah, I can do many things.
I'm gonna ask my friends if they need a maid.
Oh, great heavens!
Here you go, sweetie.
Yay, KFC!
Where's ours? I didn't get you any. That's up. Language! Why does he get it and we don't? Yeah, he should split his food with us. He's a kid. Go buy your own KFC. With what money? You don't even pay us for chores. You see this roof over our head? You're dumb. Excuse me? You have to put a roof over our heads. It's literally your job. I could have gave you up for adoption. Ha, I wish. Both of you are being so disrespectful. Go to your room. What's the deal here? These two are being so inappreciative. I wasn't talking to you, Miss Disappointment. What happened? Mom bought little brother KFC and said we should buy our own. What? You can't do that. Yes, I can. Actually, you're right. You can. You two put your shoes on. We're gonna go get pizza.
I want pizza.
And I wanted a daughter with brains.
Oh, great heavens!
Who's calling me? Oh, it's your principal.
Oh no, is it because I skipped school one day? Or because I got in a fight? Or me cheating on a test? Or maybe because I kissed a girl in the bathroom? Maybe my bad grades? Or me cussing out the teacher?
They said school is canceled tomorrow.
Oh, thank goodness.
You okay, son?
Yeah?
Where are you? You need to come home. I'm sleeping over my friend's house. You never asked me, so no. Oh yeah, remember the promise after I saw you smoking? I was stressed. How dare you? And Uncle Fred was with you on the couch? We were just wrestling, that's all. Oh, I bet, but I'm still sleeping over. I said no, I am your mother. Why must you control my life? Because you live under my roof. Jesus Christ, Mom. Jesus what?
Jesus, I'm an adult with a library card, a car, a job, and a dog. How am I supposed to grow if you don't let me go? You can't protect me forever. So stop being an obstacle and be a mom with trust in me, okay?
Oh, great heavens!
Evening, ma'am. Papers? Hi, officer. Papers?
Paper, scissors. We win. Let's go, Mom.
Son, be quiet.
But we don't have time for this. We're in a rush.
Yeah, you do seem to be in some sort of rush. Is there an emergency? No,
Yes, sir. We're involved in a hostage situation.
Hostage situation? Is this true? What? No.
Yes, our family has a group chat text and we're hostages of that.
Oh, I do relate to that about the group chat. It does feel like a hostage situation, but I have to give you a ticket for speeding.
Great. Now we're late. Have the day you deserve.
Just arrest me. I need a vacation. No, ma'am. I'm not putting him in my car.
Oh, great heavens!
Every time I give my kid a whooping, he's screaming for his life. Actually, now that I think of it, my kid's been pretty quiet when I beat him. Really? Yeah, watch. Hey, son.
What?
How do you control your anger when I whoop you?
I clean the toilet.
You clean the toilet? How does that satisfy you?
I use your toothbrush.
Oh, great heavens!
Mommy, you forgot your purse at home.
Oh, thanks, sweetie. Where is it?
You forgot it at home, so it's at home.
Are you serious? You didn't bring it? Let's go back home and get it. At home. Okay, sweetie. Where's my purse?
I hid it because I didn't want anyone to steal it.
Son, how many times do I have to tell you documents and money shouldn't be in kids' hands? Just tell me where it's at.
I'm sorry, I forgot where I hid it.
Are you serious? Never mind, we'll find it later. We have to go.
Mommy, I actually know where your purse is at.
Don't tell me you didn't bring it.
Of course I didn't forget. I got it right here.
Oh, thank goodness. Son, my purse is empty. Where's my documents and money?
Oh, I left it at home.
Why?
Remember, documents and money shouldn't be in kids' hands.
Oh, great heavens!
Yo, Mom, can I use your phone? My phone's dead.
Of course, sweetie, here. Look who just got here. Hey, everyone.
Hey, Uncle Fred.
Hey. Yo, bro, listen to this new song. It's fire. I can't hear anything.
Mom, your phone isn't working. I can't hear anything.
Really? Let me see it, son. Why is your phone connected to Fred's AirPods?
No bueno, Mom.
Oh, that's because... Hi, I would like to withdraw $5. Sorry, lady. For withdrawals less than $100, please go over there and use the ATM. But why? There's a big line over there. It's a rule. Now leave if there's nothing else.
I got this, Mommy. Hey, can you withdraw all the money my mom has?
What?
Just trust me.
Okay, that would be $50,000. But you can't withdraw that right now because that's too much.
Well, how much can we withdraw right now?
You can withdraw any amount up to $2,000.
Okay, we'll take $2,000, please.
Okay, here's $2,000.
Thanks. Now please deposit this $1,995 back in my mom's account.
Oh, great heavens!
Psh, take this. Psh, take that.
Hey, kiddo. Where's your mommy?
She's all the way in the back, but it's more comfy up here.
I know, but I'm so sorry, sweetie, but I have to take you back to your mommy.
I guess I'll never get to sit in the nice part of the plane before I die.
What?
I found out I'm dying.
Oh, Jesus.
I'll be meeting him one day.
Excuse me, ma'am? Fred, stop. Oh, hi. You can grab all your things. I'll be moving you to first class. What?
Hey, Mommy!
I'm so confused. It's okay, I understand. I really hope y'all enjoy the rest of your flight. And if y'all need anything, just let me know. Son, what did you do?
I told him that I was dying.
Huh? You're not dying.
I mean, we all gotta die sometime.
Oh, great heavens!
Ding dong. I'll get it. Oh, hi. Hey, this was on my yard. I'm sorry. This is the second time it's happened.
Hey, Mommy, who is it?
It's our neighbor.
Oh, hi, Karen.
Don't say hi to me. And my name isn't Karen. Oh, you need to keep an eye on him. Okay, I'll do my best. Well, do better, because as a mother, you're not doing great by not watching what he does.
First of all, Karen, my mom is doing amazing. And second, did a woman move into your house?
What?
If not, you're not doing great by watching your husband.
Oh, great heavens!
Mom, you're speeding and driving crazy.
It's okay, sweetie. I know what I'm doing.
There's a stop sign.
Remember, no cop, no stop.
What? But there was a cop.
There was? Crap, I didn't see him. Let me do all the talking.
Okay.
Hey, do you know why I'm pulling you over? No. Why? You ran a stop sign, and you were speeding. I did? I'm so sorry. I didn't see it. First name, please? It's Frida. And your last name? Go, ma'am. So you're free to go, ma'am? Oh, thank you so much, officer.
Oh, great heavens!
Hey, son, how was school?
Horrible. Can I just stay home forever?
No. Why? What happened?
My teacher, Miss Johnson, she called me dumb because I didn't know the answer.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This is what you're gonna say to shut her up.
Will that really work?
Yes. The next day. Hey, class, what's 345 divided by 5? Mark?
I don't know.
Well, you need to focus more on your studies.
Can I ask you a question?
What?
Do you know who my mom is?
No, why?
Well, you need to focus more on your husband.
Oh, great heavens!
Hey,
What's up?
are you kidding me right now?
What'd I do?
Your PE teacher, Mr. Bent Over, called me telling me that you're failing.
Mommy, trust me, it's because he doesn't like me.
Why doesn't he like you?
Maybe because I make fun of his name?
Boy!
Ah! Oh, wow, that didn't hurt.
Oh, that didn't hurt, huh? Honey! I'm sorry it had to come to this.
I'm sorry.
Oh, great heavens!
Hey, where's my phone? I don't know. Why you asking me? Because I know you.
Mommy!
Not right now, sweetie. I'm talking to your big brother. Where's my phone? I have mine. Why would I need yours? I don't know. Maybe your school called and you're trying to hide it. Mom, I was like 12 when I did that. I'm 17 now.
But, Mommy,
What, sweetie? What do you want?
I took your phone.
Aw, sweetie, you should have just asked, okay?
Okay.
Don't you owe me a sorry or something? Yeah, good night.
Oh, great heavens!
Mommy, come quick. I need your help.
What? What's going on?
These two girls are fighting over me.
Ooh, okay, son, I see you. That's flattering. You should be flattered. Why are you so upset?
Mommy, the ugly one is winning. I need your help. Grab her back.
Oh, great heavens!
Yo, Mom, can I use your phone? My phone's dead.
Of course, sweetie, here. Look who just got here. Hey, everyone.
Hey, Uncle Fred.
Hey. Yo, bro, listen to this new song. It's fire. I can't hear anything.
Mom, your phone isn't working. I can't hear anything.
Really? Let me see it, son. Why is your phone connected to Fred's AirPods?
No bueno, Mom.
Oh, that's because... Hey, son. Yes, Mom? Do the dishes. Okay, I'm so sorry, Mom. I'll do all the chores. It won't happen again. Hey, son. What's up, Mom? Hurry up and do the dishes. Oh, you want me to do the dishes? No, the neighbor's dishes, you idiot. Oh, so you want me to do the neighbor's dishes and then ours? Hurry up or you're gonna get this whooping. Oh, it was better when you didn't remember me. You finna remember this belt. Hey, sweetie.
What?
Can you please do the dishes? Is everything okay? Why are you looking around like that?
I'm trying to find who the heck you're talking to.
Oh, great heavens!
I've done my homework. Can I play Fortnite now?
No, it's your bedtime. I want you to go to bed right now.
Oh, I hate you.
Oh, great heavens!
A couple minutes later. Yo, son, the hospital called and your mom's been in an accident.
Is she gonna be okay?
Yeah, they said she's okay, but I need to go to the hospital ASAP. Do you want to come?
No, I'll stay here.
Okay.
Where are we landing, boys?